Hello students, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss solution of page 6 geometrical optics exercise 1 and question number 24. So in this video lecture, this question is given, magnifying power of a compound microscope is 20. Fine. Focal length of eyepiece is 3. Magnification. So here you can have say focal length of, what is the formula with the objective lens? Yeah. See here, magnifying power formula is how much? 20 is equal to V naught by U naught, right? Into D by F, right? Fine. And so V naught by, so V naught will become how much? V naught by U naught is equal to, this will become V naught by U naught. And D is this distance of resting division, so 25. And F is 3. So V in that case, and one minus will come because final image is inverted, so minus sign I am putting here. So V naught by U naught will become minus 20 into 3 by 25. So 2 pi minus 2.4, right? Okay. Now calculate the right. Magnification produced by the objective lens. Okay. Now, this is when you are having for normal adjustment. That means final image is forming at infinity, right? What if this one, right? What if final image is forming at least distance of distinct division? In that case, formula will become m is equal to minus V naught by U naught into 1 plus D by Fe, right? And here, this is minus 20, right? Minus V naught by U naught into 1 plus 25 by 3. So once you simplify this, minus minus cancel out. So V naught by U naught will become, in this case, 20 into 3 by 28. So this will become almost 2.14 centimeter. Okay. And obviously this value will be negative because object is the one side of the lens and image will be other sides of the objective lens, correct? So V naught by U naught will be negative. So you can put here negative sign also then, okay? So this is the solution of question number 24. Okay, students, fine. Thank you.